Hi, welcome back to the workout. For today we're doing a double kettlebell, so 2 bells of the same weight. All 10 exercises we'll be using kettlebells for. First exercise, we're going to clean and rack the kettlebell, so we can do this from a no momentum, take them to the ground each time, get a good lockout, or we can backswing bells, get a good lockout. Either way, we want to focus on the rack position, exhaling, putting tension into our body in the rack position. Good inhales into our backswings. Exhale through your lockout and rack, or we can take them to the ground. From there, we're going to keep them in our rack position, and we'll inhale into our squat, exhale up and out. Make sure you stay nice and tall with those. Get your hamstrings to parallel. From there, we're going to folded rows. Feet are nice and close together on these. Back is torso is parallel to the ground, and we'll row the kettlebells, fingertips as high as we can get them. From there, we'll do push-ups on the kettlebells. We can do them on the handles, or you can do them on the balls of the kettlebells. Either way, we just want a little extra depth into our push-up. Make sure we breathe into them and exhale out of them. From there, we'll do a swing. So I'm going to do them on the outside of my feet. I've been doing them more on the outside just because double swings feel better on the outside. But we want to match up. The kettlebells, our arms, our torso, all want to align and match in the backswing. So make sure we're putting good effort forward into our swings and good breathing like always. Number 6, we'll lay on the ground. We'll do a leg raise. I like to use the bells to anchor myself down on these, and then we'll hit a wiper on each side. After our leg raise wiper, plate your feet. Make sure one bell's pressed up. We're going to drop the bell, and I'm going to press the other side so we get a nice rhythm with these. Make sure the pressing hand stays right over the shoulder, and we find a nice rhythm for our rolling press and do a lockout. After our rolling presses, we're going to bring it up to our feet, stand nice and tall, and we'll do alternating forward lunges with these. So nice and deep into them, tap the back knee, switch legs on each one. Inhale in. Exhale out. Number 9 will be Renegade Rows. So bells are nice and close, feet are nice and wide. If you're not comfortable keeping both hands on the bells, just put one on the floor, fingertips to ribs, and switch on each one. So we want to make sure when we're doing these, we don't twist or turn our hips, and we really hold a good solid body lockout for each row. Last exercise we do is a push press. So we're using our legs to push the bells overhead and get a good lockout with these. So put speed into this one, use your legs, get a good lockout. It's helpful to exhale as they come down because you're going to be impacting and bracing every time anyway, so that's the best way to breathe. So that's a demonstration of your 10 exercises. So let's do a first round. All right, exercise number 1, double cleans, 30 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and begin. Rack squats. Stay nice and tall. Inhale into them, exhale out of them. 30 seconds. Ready? Begin. Folded rows with the bells outside of your foot stance. 20 seconds. Ready, set, go. Push-ups. Off of the kettlebells. Make sure your legs stay locked out. Don't let your lower back sag. 30 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Begin. Double swing. You can do them inside or outside your feet. I'm doing them outside. 30-second swing. Ready, set, begin. Okay, 5 down, 5 to go. Leg raise, hit a wiper on each side. 40 seconds. Ready, set, and begin. Floor press. You'll find a nice rhythm and a roll with it. Use your feet, switch your hips. Make sure that bell stays right over the shoulder. This will last 30 seconds. Ready? And begin. Onto your feet. Hold the bells like suitcases. Alternating forward lunge. 30 seconds. 3, 2, begin. Last one. Renegade rows. Be nice and careful with these if you're going to do them on the kettlebell handles. 30 seconds. 3, 2, and begin. And the last one, overhead lockout, push press or jerk. You use your legs and hips to get the bells overhead. 30 seconds. Ready, set, begin. All right, that's round one. I'll repeat 3 to 4 more times. Have a great workout. Thanks for watching.